What's up mga karuba? This is your Konyo Boy Apong Glenn rapping English Ilocano Glulok, and we are here in Dingrasi, Ilocos Norte. Today, we will be having an Apong Glenn's trivia. In today's episode, we will feature Kadiwa o Paspas Duras. Don't you know that Kadiwa, conceptualized by our great Ferdinand Marcos. If there is an Apong Glenn, we have also Apo Perdi. Apo Ferdinand Marcos, to help bring down the prices of agricultural commodities of our farmers in the province. The Kadiwa system was enabled to the public to buy goods at cheaper rates and the farmers to sell their crops without having to worry about transportation, the transportation cost, or the eliminating the middleman who forces prices up. Digiji agtaltalon, kung may daisigod nga ikabilit ito, digiji lakoda, may lakoda ka digiji kaya da awan tay middleman nga makunkuna. No, tiyan niya ti middleman, di ganyan mapanggumatang, gatangin da, tapos ilako damot laan. Kasi ti middleman. So, kasi ti napasamak idi panahon ni Apo Ferdinand Marcos, idi 1980s. Okay, kasi ti napasamak idi. Sa itatakayat da nga subli within the cheaper prices of agricultural products like bagas, ito'y longganisa kada basta products ti Ilocano, ito Ilocos Norte. So, kasjay ti kapintas na dito yung Kadiwa system ni Madam Aimee nga senator ita, nga itultuloy ita ni Governor Matthew. Okay. DJ lang. Awanon. Iso nga nalpasan. Okay, that's it. And this is your Apong Glenn for another trivia. Okay.